The Food Media Network presents Kitchen Lingo, the 5-second culinary vocab learning challenge. Common culinary terms range from various ways to serve and prepare food and beverages, to kitchen items and equipment, to the names of the dishes themselves. Cooking definitions can also come from languages other than English, such as French and Italian, which can sometimes be challenging to understand. However, learning as many kitchen terms and culinary vocabulary as you can helps provide a fundamental knowledge for any food and beverage professional or enthusiast. Do you know what today's word means in the culinary world? Well, you will have 5 seconds before the answer is revealed. But if you need more time, you can always hit pause. Today's word is Finnan Haddie, spelled Finnan Haddie. Finnan Haddie.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
According to the Food Lover's Companion, Finnan Haddie was named after Finnan, Scotland, which is a fishing village near Aberdeen. Finnan Haddie is a partially boned and lightly salted and smoked haddock. It was originally smoked over peat fires, which are a rarity now in the widely commercial production. In the British Isles, Finnan Haddie has long been a favorite breakfast dish. Though once exclusively from Scotland, it is now being produced in New England and other eastern coastal states. It's available whole or in fillets, and they can be refrigerated, tightly wrapped, for up to a month. Finnan Haddie is best baked, broiled, or poached, and is generally served with a cream sauce. Okay, if you knew what the word meant, good job! If you didn't know, well, you do now, and the word has been added to your Kitchen Lingo word inventory. Thank you for playing, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. It's free, so that way you'll be notified when the next Kitchen Lingo Culinary Vocab Learning Challenge is available.